What's going on, guys? Hopefully you guys can see me pretty good. For everybody that follows my Instagram, you already know that I've been doing the fuse box relocation for a lot of people lately. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of harnesses. I probably shipped out like 4 of them already. They take me about a week to do. And if you guys haven't seen my previous upload where I show you how to install it and how to remove it, go check that video out. But anyways, I'm shipping out 2 more harnesses today. They're all different, they're all custom, so I do them to the person's liking, whatever they want to do. So that's what it looks when it's done, and this is kind of what it looks like when I'm done with it. I coil it up real nice, I zip tie it, every single wire is loomed. I'm almost ready to go ship these right now. I'm just getting my bag ready and stuff, but just wanted to show you guys the finished product. This person did a 02 to 05 headlight conversion, so I did that for them, and they also wanted side marker wires, which I added right here. So this will be the passenger side right here, and this is the driver side, and I just dropped them off right there, just 2 ends, just so they could do the side markers. As I do more of these, I find better ways and better methods, and I did hurt my foot, guys. That's why I haven't put anything out. And let's do a before and after real quick before I actually ship these out. I might as well show you guys a before and after. This is what the harness looks like when I receive it. This one's pretty bad. Actually, it's probably one of the worst ones because it's missing plugs and stuff. So yeah, anyways, they come in like that, and they end up like this. So kind of just a before and after. So it's really clean. It's gonna be tucked anyway, so it's not like anyone's gonna see it. And I'm about to go ship that out now. It's really hard for me to get around now because of my leg, and I'll probably make a video and show you guys what I've been going through and why I haven't put any videos out. I'm gonna ship this out. 2 of them, I think one's going to California and the other one's going to South Carolina, I think. I got a couple things I want to open and a couple packages over there. You guys see the Momo over there. I got another package right here, and I might have a couple other parts, which is what I do during the winter. I'm gonna head out, I'm gonna ship that out, and then we'll get back. I'll get back to you guys. What's up, guys? This is probably like, I want to say maybe a week later. Finally, I sold the Civic engine. If you guys didn't see any of my previous vlogs, you probably don't even know what I'm talking about. But I had the engine sitting here, right here in this spot for probably, I don't know, I want to say a month, maybe 2 months. I don't really know. I don't remember. But I actually pulled it out of there. I had to push this car forward. Here, I'll go ahead and show you guys how close it is. So it's pretty much up against the wall. And reason I did that was push that way is because I didn't want to take the RSX off the jack stands and have to use the jack and do all that. So I just pushed it forward. I had enough room to get the engine by and the engine hoist. So let's go over here. I'll show you guys how far I got. And yes, I'm over here doing that with my foot hurt, but I really want to get rid of this engine. So there it is. It's right there. Engine hoist. Now I want to say it was not a pain in the ass to sell the engine, but no one wants to pay what I was asking. I was asking for 500, transmission, engine. It runs, drives. You don't have to like do anything to it. You just drop it in your car and that's it. And it's running. I included everything on there. The manifold's still on there, throttle body. They could take the intake. I don't know where that is. Everything is on there. The header's still on there. Put a new head gasket. It's got a bunch of new stuff on there as well. So I don't know. I think it's a pretty good deal. And they don't have to go to a yard and actually remove this engine. Like I already pulled it out of the car. It's in a heated environment, like it's inside. What's a better deal than that? So I let it go for, he made an offer 400 and I came back at 450. So we settled at that, which is fine with me, whatever. I just want to get rid of it just so we can start getting the, well, actually put more money together so we could buy the engine for the Civic. So yeah, 400 bucks, pretty good condition too. Just has a bunch of oil and residue. This engine's probably never been washed. I never washed it, at least. I just don't like washing motors at all unless I'm gonna actually be doing something to it. So it has all this grime and oil and just build up from, let me see, 20 years, I want to say, close to 20 years. So yeah, I'm gonna get this on here, and hopefully he gets here in about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. He was supposed to get here at 3:30. It's already like 3:40. So I don't really like having people really looking here all the time, especially people I don't really know. So pretty much gonna push this outside and do everything out there and close the door, just so people aren't like really looking in here and seeing what I got. So all right, so I got it up on the engine hoist. Kind of a pain in the ass to do, but got it on there. I had to like, it's kind of hard to do these things when you're doing it, but I had to put a knot here just to make it the same length as this one going around the engine. And then I got 3 on this like little hook thing here, and then this one I just like, I don't know, I got it on here. I forget what this is called, like a shackle or something. I don't really know. I don't know the name of everything, guys. You don't have to roast me in the comments, but yeah, that's it. Let's go over here and see how the Civic's doing. Where is it? It's over here. Surprised there's no snow on this thing. It's pretty cool. But yeah, this is the Civic right here. I plan on doing the swap on. I'm gonna do a K-swap. So now that we got 440 for the engine we just sold, I probably just need like another, I don't know. I'm saying I think I could probably find a good engine. I don't care if it has like high mileage and stuff, but I think I could find a good engine for like maybe, could find one for maybe like 1200. I did see one, it was like a full swap everything for 1200, not 1200, 1400. So there's deals out there. You just got to be patient and just have the money ready when it's, you know, when it's time. So you never know what people will take. You know, you could maybe find a good deal at the right moment, you know. So yeah, this is what we got. Me and Martin actually sanded this thing down, and pretty much it's ready. It's ready. I still got to buy this fender here, maybe some new headlights and stuff, but it's ready. It's ready for paint, and actually not paint. We're gonna have to do some body work on there. As you guys can see, all these little small dips here, and yeah, so a little bit at a time. If you guys didn't see, we got the doors off another Civic at the yard, so these are really good, no rust on them. The other ones are pretty bad, so yeah, I'm pretty happy. The tail lights are pretty good. I'm not gonna change those, and yeah, I want to leave it pretty much stock, man. I want to paint it all over. It's almost time, so this guy should be here pretty soon. That's it for this engine. It's kind of sad. It's kind of sad people do this stuff, like swaps into cars and take the engines out. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's a good running car, but I want to say I've had that Civic for maybe 3-4 years, so it's kind of like bittersweet, but I know when I'm done with this car, it's gonna look really nice. Alright, that might be a little too close. And hopefully you guys like the vlog so far. So we did sell the engine. We got 440. It wasn't 450, 440. And we sold those 2 harnesses. I've been putting away a big chunk of the money I've been making off the harnesses so we could get the Civic content going. So pretty much I want to buy an engine for the Civic. I want to buy a K20. I just want to buy something that's going to be reliable. So basically that's my goal, is just to find like maybe an RSX that's running, because that's gonna have the harness, the engine, transmission, the ECU. It's gonna have the shifter. It's gonna have the cables. It's gonna have the, I think we could use those axles. I'm not quite sure yet. And might be some other stuff we could use, the AC stuff. I think we could even use the radiator off of that. Just a bunch of stuff you could use off that car, and we could also sell parts off of that. But anyways, let me show you guys what I got. Just like I showed you guys earlier, I got some Momo stuff, and then like one more package. Hold on, let me go get that. Oh, and this is like a week later, guys. So I really haven't been able to record a lot, but I finished another harness right here. It's pretty much ready to go out. So I shipped the 2 other harnesses out, and actually I messed up, and I want to apologize to Lalo if you're watching this, and Mike. I accidentally like switched, or I confused the shipping labels, and I put them on the wrong boxes and shipped it to like the wrong place, so they ended up shipping it to each other afterwards, so I had to pay shipping twice on that. Let me show you guys what's in this box right here. It's a package from Track Tough, and what we got is some pieces to get the heat going. This is one of the pieces right here that I'm gonna try and use so I could get heat back in the RSX. This is gonna be for one of the heater holes that's on the engine, and it's like on the back side of the engine. And yeah, I'm gonna be running like braided lines for that now. At least that's my plan right now. And then he actually got these back in stock on Track Tough. And if you guys follow him on Instagram, I think that's where all his business pretty much comes from. But it's a really nice piece. And I got a black one, and now I got this one since he restocked it. And I like it because it just sits nice and flush with your valve cover. It's just really nice. It doesn't like stick up or anything like that. So got those two things. Nothing serious. He did throw, I think, 2 decals in here. Pretty nice. Maybe I'll give these away to you guys. Maybe you guys will want them. I don't know. Some people like to collect these things. And it's obvious already, but it's a Momo steering wheel. I'll show you guys what I got. Nothing serious. I did plan on getting like a Vertex one, and then at first I wanted a Nardi one, and then I don't know, I just switched up. I got this for Christmas, and it's a Momo, just a flat face steering wheel. It's really nice, red stitching on the side, suede. I really like this steering wheel. I like the look of it. I like the button. It's also nice, the horn button. Real neat. Really like it. Give you guys a closer look in case you guys want to see it. I don't know. You guys have probably seen these steering wheels before. So see if it focuses in. Yep, it's right there. It's the back side. Should be pretty easy to install. I don't think it's going to be very hard to do. Give you guys like a 360. See if it focuses in on this Momo part. Yeah, my lighting in here sucks. I just used the lighting off the monitors. And I got this, it was a pretty good deal for Christmas. It was a present, and I paid $160, which wasn't bad. I think they retail for like $200, so it wasn't bad. Here's the screws with the Allen key, and it's just a regular hub. It's black, goes with the what I got. So I wanted a different hub, one that can detach, but it's whatever. So I got that. This was, I think, also $20 off, so $60, and then the steering wheel is $160, so it wasn't a bad deal. So I will be doing like an install for this, which isn't a really big deal. I might not make that a whole video. I might just throw it in with another video or something. You guys probably seen enough of these videos, but who knows? Maybe I'll just add like a DIY for it or not. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Hopefully you guys are subscribed. Hopefully you guys got your notifications on. I'm gonna try and put a video out next week. I've been slacking, but my leg is hurting stuff, so I can't really do much. So that's pretty much it. Just a steering wheel, hub, and a few more parts. So hopefully you guys like this video. It might be all over the place. I don't really know until I edit this thing, but like I said, I should be recording maybe once a week from now on. So I think officially we could just start looking for a motor with the transmission. Hopefully we could find a whole like package deal where we could just get everything we need all in one, ECU, all that stuff. I'm not really too concerned about mileage on the engine, but I just want something that's not damaged, something that doesn't need fixing, something like that. I want to stay away from that. I want to get something that's actually running. So if I could get something that maybe shows up to the junkyard that's totaled, or maybe somebody just crashed their car and is ready to sell. I just want to have the money ready. That's what I've been doing. I've just been saving so I can have the money ready and just throw like an offer out there, you know, even if it's a low offer, at least it's something. And you know, sometimes money talks. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on the EK part of this build, if you guys haven't seen like my previous uploads, go check that out. Yeah, I'll check you guys out, and I'll see you on the next one. All right.